Hey guys, welcome back. So Altcoin Daily published a video today that goes through eight very high or very low cap altcoins that might be a bit of high risk. So these guys, I thought it might be a fun video just to review some of their coins, not all of it, some of their coins, and see what's going on the charts, because that's one thing what these crypto influencers don't do. They don't look at the charts, and I'll just go into the charts and see if it's worth our time for it. So the first one at the moment, they've got Ardana, which is on the Cardano network. At the moment, this is very hard to get a hold of. It's currently ranked, what is it, 2,933, very small cap. So it's $25 million market cap, pretty much micro cap. So if you get on this early and it does well, yeah, you'll be laughing. Let's have a look at markets. It's currently available on Gate.io, which is pretty much a pain in the ass, and it just got released pretty much the other day. So there's not much on the charts for this one to have a look at. It just got released on Gate.io, so this is quite a speculative investment at this time. You can see here, year to date, no data on it, pretty much 23rd, yeah, the other day, yesterday, got released. It's hard to gauge, but if you want to take a bet on this one, by all means go for it. Very small, speculative. I wouldn't put more than 1% of my trading account into this, or 1% of my hodling portfolio into this. So yeah, get in early, just listed, why not? Throw something at it, and if at 1000x's, you'll be laughing. So second coin on Altcoin Daily's list was Audius. I like Audius, invested in it, and I do trade it frequently. So Audius currently ranked at 93 with a market cap of $1.3 billion. So small cap, no, almost mid cap, but in the top 100, and we haven't seen money push hard into the top 100 at the moment. So yeah, this one has got my attention. I like this one. Let's see what's going on the charts for Audius. So let's get it. UD. There we go. Here's what I'm tracking. I'll just hide a bunch of that indicators. So at the moment, this is what I'm seeing for Audius. You can see we've got this Fibonacci from that high in March down to the swing low. We've got that area of resistance, and it hit it exactly in August, unable to break through it, came back down. So at the moment, what I'm seeing for Audius is a massive rounded cup and a handle, and we just had a break yesterday. Let's have a look at the volume. Yep, volume confirms the breakout, and we're currently retesting it. So right now, it's probably a good time to buy Audius, and yeah, for the trade setup, I'll say this is a buy right now. You can see on the VPVR, we've got a lot of support underneath it. We've got the 21 daily and the 50 daily moving averages below as support, and yeah, the best time to have bought it was pretty much from the swing low to the swing high. You can see the Fibonacci reload zone, it hardly entered it. There's just a couple of wicks down there. That's why I highly recommend you pretty much set your alerts, right click on the line, add an alert on horizontal line, once per bar. Every time the price hits that reload zone, you know you got to buy, or put your limit orders in place to execute. So you would have been up already in profits if you had bought there a number of times. So with every trade ID, you need to understand what's your invalidation area. If we get a close underneath this area, that might invalidate our bullish idea. If we get a lower low and a close and start trading below this area, that's going to invalidate our bullish idea again. You can see there's not much support down here in this area. So if the price does come in here, expect a quick dump down to this area, down to $1.72. What else can we see? No bearish divergence, which is great. And let's have a look at long-term outlook for this one. So I might just switch it to the log chart. Most of these crypto guys don't really look at weekly charts, let alone log charts. I think it's fantastic. So let's see how it's going on. Just excuse my random lines everywhere. Might just hide everything for you. See if we do identify any patterns. We've got support all along this area, support. Yeah, up to there. So yeah, support. 2 touches here, 2 touches, fell out there. We can consider that as a bear trap. And if that is a bear trap, you could expect Audius to start ripping right here and start rallying in line with this cup and handle. So what's our measured move? Pick it from there to there. So yeah, 10x. Yeah, so Altcoin Daily, well done. To potential, the charts are telling me 10x potential. He's saying 10x in December. Now that depends if the bull market continues, but Audius 10x, the charts are singing the same tune. So this is a good picker. Very interesting. Let's have a look at the measured move on the cup and handle. So I'll just hide that channel. It's getting a bit busy. That's a key area of support. We want to keep that. That's a key area of support. And this is a key area of resistance. We want to see this break it. But this is very bullish, rounded bottom. If Audius, it's going to take some time to play out, but it's putting in another rounded bottom. And these are quite explosive. So if it is a cup and handle, in the cup and handle, in the immediate short term, we can expect a measured move like that. Put it here. What's the cup and handle technical target? Technical target is a 2x from here, so not bad. But if you are holding it, yeah, 10x potential on the charts. If we do have a crazy bull run, we could get that. And with a market cap of what did I say before? The market cap at the moment with 1.3 billion pushing up to 13 billion. Yeah, that's potential. Like I said, money has not pushed in hard at all into the top 100. So yeah, it's not moon boy at all to be thinking 10x. Well done. So third coin he said was Mina protocol. So this is it here. Literally ranked 94, literally after number 93. So I don't know what he's doing, just looking down the rankings, but ranked number 94, same around $1.3 billion. Mina protocol, where can you buy it at the moment? A lot of TikTokers were covering this, so it's all over Binance already listed on Gate.io, Kraken. So yeah, you're not going to get a crazy Binance pump listing. That's already happened. If you wanted to get those pumps, you got to get in before the tier 1 exchange listings. So yeah, let's check out the charts. I've gone into coin market cap in here because it's got the full history. What am I looking at here? So regular chart. Pull the fib from the bottom to the top, and at the moment we're just holding the 382. We're actually below the 50 and the 21 daily, so I wouldn't be buying this right now. Here's what I'm seeing at the moment. We've pretty much got a range. Mina protocol is ranging at the moment, so it's in between there. You can look at buying some in this bottom range, but let's see if it doesn't hold the 382. You might go into the 0.5, but the best time to buy it, in my opinion, will be in this reload zone. So anywhere from $2.13 to $3 will be a great time to buy. So at the moment, probably say Audius is probably the best bet. Then Mina, but then again, these things can pump. This is at the bottom of the range. If you want to go into this, yeah, you can. But save some funds in case we do get that area down here. If we do test this area, this is basically going sideways. So yeah, let's move on. What else did he say? He said track, OriginTrail or something like that. Yeah, OriginTrail. So this is what's going on with this. So I had to go into the weekly chart log, because if you look at what's going on here, this thing is already pumped. Look at it. A couple of weeks ago, it put in a 129% pump, and that doesn't even include this wild wick. So this is already pumped. What are you doing? Pump so hard, buyers flip to sellers, and that's why you've got this long wick happening. So it's already pumped. Kind of not interested right now, but you can monitor it. Let's see what happens. Best time to buy will probably be from, if you pull a fib from this swing low to that swing high. Yeah, look at reloading in this area if it does come down here, right? So 53 cents pretty much. Yeah, have a look at that. Another strong area of support is going to be right there at the 0.5 fib level, which coincides with the March swing high peak here. So that should be a strong area of support. And you've got the 21 daily moving average coming in. So at $1.74, maybe not, but down here at about 80 cents, look at buying some and then pick up more in that Fibonacci reload zone. Where would our invalidation area be? It pretty much if we fall out of this Fibonacci reload zone, and if we fall out and put in a lower low from here, our bullish thesis is out the door. And I'm sorry to say, but OriginTrail, we won't be buying it. So another one that he came up with was Mod. Don't know what's going on with Mod. It's completely just been hammered since April. It's just completely hammered. So I don't know if that was initial listing and all of the initial investors just started selling, but you can see it's currently in accumulation, and it actually doesn't look too bad. It's putting in a low, and high low, high and a high. So at the moment, we just got out of that golden buy opportunity. If we pull a fib from the low to the high, we're in there. That was the best time to buy it, really. So you've missed that chance. Next chance is to try to pick some, maybe now if you want, but it does have overhead resistance at the moment. You've got all this support down here. So let's put a line right there. So that's support. So yeah, I wouldn't buy it now. Maybe wait for it. You might get another chance. To buy it in this reload zone, but at the moment it wouldn't be a buy until we can close above this, which was, A few months ago it was resistance. If we can close and start trading above it, that might be a good opportunity. Here's what else I'm seeing on the charts as well. Wait for this breakout, wait for this breakout. Yeah, falling channel, falling wedge, whatever you want to call it, we're in here. So if we do come back down here, wait for at least a breakout of this blue line here. That's your entry. So again, all these YouTubers saying all this stuff, that sounds good fundamentally. Yeah, it's all cool, but check the charts. So far I've only found Audius, which is to me a screaming buy. Rarible, what's going on with Rarible? Look at this. So just trying to look at it in a different perspective to see what might be best. Okay, regular view was good. VPVI is spazzing out so hard on this. So clearly we're in a consolidation period right here, and we're coming to the apex. There's a decision time looming. I've got those Fibonacci reload zones already set up. They were the best times to pretty much buy it. Down here you would have been laughing, and remember, this is how I got it. Get your fib tool out, go from the bottom to the high of the last impulse move, and that's going to give you your zone. So the best time to buy would have been down here, right? And that is in confluence with this lower yellow trend line, but you've missed that boat. So what are you looking at? I'm pretty much waiting for a break of this purple trend line. So if we can get a break above this, then we're looking at buying it, especially if it puts in a high past this area. At the moment we do look pretty bullish. We've put in a higher low. We haven't put in a higher high, but we haven't put in a lower low, so we are still looking good. We're holding this shape. This is working out well. Yeah, this one you could buy it. You could look at buying it if it comes back into this Fibonacci reload zone, especially if it's on support of this yellow. That to me, this yellow trend line will be my invalidation area. But yeah, Rarible, I am bullish on this one. If we can get a break about this, I think we will if the market still continues to rally. Look at buying it. I wouldn't just buy it at the moment because it needs to clear some of these moving averages, which is overhead resistance. You know, I think it's just cleared VPVR resistance over here. Last leg of resistance is going to be this purple line here. So what could also be happening at the moment is this reversal W pattern. So if we get a W, keep an eye out for that. But at the moment, I would not buy it until it at least breaks out of this area or retraces a little bit deeper. So that's it. That wasn't all 8 of them, but hopefully that benefited. Bye.